Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show how whoa! Easy tiger, calm down. So as you can see guys, I've made a few changes to this little minifigure. So I've added some joints to his elbows. His torso can now twist round. And I've also added joints to his knees and to his thighs. So to make all these changes, we start with step 1, which is to cut the sprues and glue the parts together. So I'm going to use one of these Space Marines figures. You may have seen this little chap in a previous video. So I start by cutting the parts out that I need, and then gluing some of the parts together. And then on to step 2, where I cut some of the parts and attach some joints. This is the bit I love. I love cutting up toys and adapting and changing the way they look. So starting with the torso, I'm going to cut him in half, just because I want him to be able to turn and swivel his top half. The plastic's pretty soft, so it's easy to cut with a knife. So I'm going to use milliput to fill in the gaps in his upper torso and the lower torso. So I love using this stuff because it's so easy. Just mix the two parts in equal amounts and then use it however you want, and within a few hours it dries and goes rock hard. So to make the joints, I'm going to take these joints out of some Mega Construct figures I've got and adapt them and make them work for Warhammer figures. So it's basically a case of cutting the arm into the two sections and then modifying the parts to accommodate the Mega Construct ball joint. So part of the joint just slips into the lower arm, and then the upper arm just needs a bit of cutting and a hole drilled in it to accommodate the lower arm. And there you go, there's one working arm. Just got to do the same for the other arm now. And then it's a similar process for the legs. As I want to be able to animate this figure, I'm also going to need to make his hip joint, just so I can make him walk. And to do this, I'm using another section from a Mega Construct figure, as this will allow his hips to move, as well as the knees. So a bit more cutting and gluing is done to achieve this. And now I've got this figure that's fully articulated. And he's ready for step 4, which is to paint the figure. As mentioned in previous videos, I've only just got into painting minifigures. To say my painting skills are basic is a bit of an understatement. Any tips and tricks you guys got, please leave them in the comments. I am watching several YouTubers just to see how you're meant to be painting these figures, so hopefully in time I will improve my skills. And there we go, he's painted to a very, very, very basic look. And there we go. So I'm pretty pleased with how he's turned out. He's got nice movement in his arms and his legs. So now on to step 5 to animate him and bring him to life. So to do stop motion animation, it's very simple really. All you have to do is take a picture of the figure, move him slightly, take another picture, move him slightly, take another picture, and just keep doing this on and on and on for days and days and days. Then you end up with a few seconds of him moving. And there we go, that's how you get one fully articulated Warhammer 40k figure. I may do this for a few other Warhammer figures, and then maybe make a little animation of them. Maybe I could do 2 fierce enemies and have them battle out in a ring or something. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. And leave some comments below, let me know what you thought of this video and what you might want to see me do in the future. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, just so you get informed of when my videos come out. If you are able, guys, it'd be great if you could share this on Twitter, your Facebook page or Facebook group, Discord and Reddit, that'd be awesome. Here's another video you can click on to see more of what I do. Okay guys, that's it. Bye for now.